Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is Tablescape Tuesday, and this is hosted every Tuesday by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and this month is sunflowers. Now, along with the sunflowers, I've added bumblebees and lemons to my tablescape. So I'm going to give you a little quick overview, and then I'll go over everything here in a minute. Okay, first I'm going to show you my yellow napkin and silver napkin ring with my fork. And then these plates with the sunflowers and the bumblebees from the Dollar Tree. And also from the Dollar Tree is this placemat, which I showcased last week with the butterflies on it. Very pretty. And then I have my beautiful Lenox cup. I do like to mix match my dinnerware. And then here is the matching salad plate, again from the Dollar Tree. I just think these are so pretty. When I seen these at the Dollar Tree, I just had to buy them. And as a centerpiece, I have this cake stand with a cloche of lemons, and this little pot with the little bumblebee on it, that was from the Dollar General for just $3, with the little potted lemons in it. Those potted lemons, I did get those are on Amazon. So I've got lemons and limes inside the cloche. And then I've got a few lemons and yellow flowers on the cake stand. And then I have this gold candle holder with a yellow candle. The candle holder I got at the Dollar General. So this is a very budget-friendly tablescape, but I think it looks really pretty. Y'all have to let me know what you think. Now these yellow napkins, I did get these on Amazon, but there's only 2. So I put 2 cream color napkins on the end. As you can see right here, here's the cream color one, again with the silver napkin ring and fork. So here is an overview of the tablescape for today. Now over here is my side table, again with the lemons, pretty flowers, and my cup holder and shelf with the bees and lemons. So I think this turned out really cute. A very summery look. And over here is my cutting board display. And I have some of the Dollar Tree towels here with the bumblebees. A little cup there, some beads, a pot holder, and more of the bumblebee and yellow flowers from the Dollar Tree. So I did end up getting 6 of the dinner plates. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching, and I do want to thank Anna for hosting this wonderful collaboration every Tuesday. Now remember to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I encourage you to do so. Leave me a comment. I do read them all. So until next time, bye-bye for now.